Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So this is the 19th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So without wasting our time, we'll go to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So now our first word is vertigo. Vertigo is a noun and the meaning of this word is a feeling that you are about to fall. That means you are going to be fall and feeling a pain in head, that we call the vertigo. The synonyms are dizziness and giddiness and lightheadedness. So example is, the bad thing was the sense of vertigo magic money created. That means the bad thing was the sense of feeling dizziness or feeling fall for the magic money created. See the picture, how a lady feeling that she is going to be fall and also a pain in head. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is, she received a vertigo diagnosis and was forced to stop working again. That means she received a diagnosis, a treatment for the vertigo and was forced to stop the work again. Second sentence is, it was a very demanding role physically and I was experiencing some vertigo and nausea during the shot. She said that it was very demanding role physically and she was feeling vertigoneous, that means dizziness and nausea during the shoot. Third sentence is, she writes of being haunted by isolation, of feeling accountably upset with a vague, disquieting sense of vertigo. She writes of being haunted by isolation means alone and feeling accountably upset with a vague, unclear and disquieting sense of dizziness. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word and I give a 10-second pause for these 5 sentences. Then we will go to the next word. So here is our 5 more sentences. So our next word is tranquil. It is an adjective and the meaning of this word is free from disturbance by heavy waves that may be mind or your body or water. The synonyms are placid, quiet, smooth and calm. We also call peaceful. Example is, she became more tranquil at this time. That means she became more calm and peaceful at this time. See the picture that shows the tranquil nature of both human and his mind and also water. Move on to the sentences. First sentence is, after years of turbulence, relations are even tranquil now between Fox and her most notorious ex, the rapper 50 Cent. That means after years of disturbance or problem, the relations are even peaceful now between the Fox and her most notorious means badly known, that we call infamous ex, the rapper 50 Cent. Second sentence is, 3 years passed this way, dreaming away the tranquil days. That means 3 years passed away and dreaming away about the peaceful days. Third sentence is, popular for its tranquil backwater and health retreats, the coastal state receives more than 1 million foreign tourists a year. That means the coastal state is popular for its quiet backwater, that means calm backwater and health retreats. That's why it receives 1 million foreign tourists a year. We'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Now our next word is diffident. That is an adjective and its meaning is lacking self-confidence. Synonyms are shy, timid, modest. Antonyms are confident, assured. Example is, she was diffident when offering a comment on the professor lecture. That means she was feeling shy when offering a comment on the professor lecture. See the picture how a girl is feeling diffident and hiding. Now sentences are, first sentence is, his voice was diffident, careless, but his face was still grey. That means his voice was lacking confidence, careless, but his face was still grey. Second sentence is, that would show you are still diffident about your art and would also debase you. That means that would show that you are still lacking confidence about your art, and that would also downgrade you. Debase means downgrading you. Third sentence is Mr. Cummings, socially diffident, unsmiling figure, spoke next. That means Mr. Cummings, who is socially feeling shy or lacking confidence, and also unsmiling figure, spoke next. 5 more sentences under this word is so our next word is gauchy. That is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is lacking social experience, or that is socially awkward. Awkward movement. Synonyms are inelegant, graceless, awkward. Example: am I being cheap and gauchy to use my homemade card? Is asking that am I being cheap and feeling socially awkward to use my homemade cards? See the picture of Ranbir Kapoor from the film Rockstar. He saw the gauchy movement that is socially awkward. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is it is seen a bit gauchy to open the door yourself. That means it is little bit awkward to open the door for yourself. Second sentence is it gauchy to stay around longer than you were supposed to? That means is it awkward to stay around longer than you were supposed to? Third sentence is Mr. Evans agreed it just become gauchy to name kids after any politician. Politician is a bad word. Mr. Evans agreed that it just become awkward to name the kids after an politician because politician is a bad word. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our next word is vindicate. Vindicate is a verb, and the meaning of this word is show to be right by providing justification or proof. That means you justify something by providing the proof, evidence, that we call vindicate. Synonyms are justify or prove. Example is Masterson denied the charges and his attorney said he will be vindicated. That means Masterson denied for the charges and his attorney say he will be justified soon. See the picture. The attorney is showing the evidence for the justification. Move on to the sentences. First sentence is it very clear vindicates us. We are exercising our rights, Lee said. Lee said that it is very clear justified us and we are exercising our right. Second sentence is Mr. Stone, like every American, deserves a fair trial and every opportunity to vindicate himself before the courts. Mrs. McKinney said. Mrs. McKinney said that Mr. Stone, who is like every American, deserves a fair trial and every opportunity to justify himself in front of the court. Third sentence is Robert knew the DNA would vindicate him, said Susan Friedman, an Innocence Project lawyer. Susan Friedman said, who is an Innocence Project lawyer, that Robert knew the DNA would justify him. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this was only for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle and other group. And if you have any problem, comment below down so that I will help you out. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So we will meet on the next part of this video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.